Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 very likely to feature an under panel front camera. Also we got the concept bits Note 21 Fan Edition images that has been arrived courtesy to Let's Go Digital. Also we have the new information regarding the A72 and A52 5G. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some Samsung news, and let's begin with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's been less than a year that we have already seen the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and it was an incredible device. And one of the best things which I like about the Z Fold lineup is the innovation. Always Samsung bringing something new and cool in the Galaxy Z Fold devices. We have been hearing about the under-display camera technology that is expected to be coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 lineup, and probably there is going to be more chances because Ice Universe has tweeted about an under-panel camera that is expected to be coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is going to be happening pretty soon. And I honestly think that this is going to be a great innovation if Samsung put it right, because it is going to be absolutely amazing. Make the Z Fold 3 as a device which is going to be completely bezel-less in terms of foldable devices. Also we are hearing that the Z Fold 3 is expected to coming with an S Pen support inside. Probably the reason that it is going to be coming with all features of S Pen that are present in the Galaxy Note devices. With that being said, the back camera sensor is going to be pretty much similar to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Maybe we don't see the 10x optical zoom in the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but overall design is going to be pretty much similar. We are expected to see similar camera sensors just like the S21 lineup. And finally, we are also expected to see some improvement in the hinges and the ultra thin gloss technology. Interestingly, we also hearing about the Note 21 Fan Edition from the last week, and Let's Go Digital has bring up with the concept images of Note 21 Fan Edition. And looking at these concept images, it is looking absolutely amazing considering it is coming with an S Pen support inside. I honestly think this is going to be pretty much the design if Samsung is gonna launch the Note 21 Fan Edition. Maybe we don't see the S21 Fan Edition this time around because we already have S21 base model which is coming with a plastic body. So Note 21 Fan Edition is going to be expected later this year. So lastly is going to be the Galaxy A52 and A72 devices that are expected to be coming in the mid of next month in India, and there are some more chances that we might see the devices to be launched in late February. Honestly, I am pretty much excited about the 90 and 120 Hz of refresh rate in both the devices, and they are going to be the game changer for the Galaxy A series. Anyhow, these are some of the news that has been arriving for the Galaxy devices. And what are your opinion about the under display camera which is going to be coming in the Z Fold 3? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.